In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer between networks in MetaMask. To get started, open MetaMask and unlock your wallet. Before moving anything, make sure you can access the account that holds the funds you want to transfer. This process is often called bridging, which simply means moving assets from one blockchain network to another. Once you're inside MetaMask, choose the cryptocurrency you want to move. It's important to select the correct token first because not every token is available on every network, and the options you see may depend on what asset you're transferring. Next, open MetaMask's bridge feature if it's available in your wallet. From there, select the source network, which is the network where your funds are currently located. This tells MetaMask where the transfer is starting from. After that, choose the destination network, or in other words, where you want the funds to go. For example, you might be transferring from Ethereum to Base. Double check this step carefully because selecting the wrong destination can lead to confusion or delays. Now select the token you want to bridge and enter the amount you'd like to transfer. If this is your first time doing a cross-network transfer, it can be a good idea to move a smaller amount first so you can confirm everything works as expected before sending more. Once you enter the amount, MetaMask will usually show you a quote. Take a moment to review it carefully. Look at the network fees, any bridge fees, the exchange or conversion rate if one applies, and the estimated arrival time. These details help you understand exactly what you'll receive and how long the transfer may take. Also, make sure you have enough of the native token on the source network to cover the required network fee, or the transaction may not go through. When everything looks correct, review the transaction one more time, and then click Confirm in MetaMask. This is the step where you authorize the bridge transfer, so accuracy matters. After confirming, wait for the transaction to process. The amount of time can vary depending on the networks involved and the bridge service being used, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once the transfer is completed, switch MetaMask to the destination network. This allows you to view the funds on the network where they were sent. Finally, check your balance and confirm that the transferred asset appears on the destination network. If you can see the asset there, the transfer was successful and you've completed the process of moving funds between networks in MetaMask.